Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best heat press machine that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the PowerPress Digital Sublimation T-shirt heat press machine. We found that the PowerPress industrial quality digital sublimation T-shirt heat press was one of the best all-rounders on the market. It's easy to use, very well built and versatile enough to start a small T-shirt printing business, if that's your plan. As you read through this article, you'll notice that a lot of the heat press machines have very similar features. That means you have to look at the small features to pick the one that's best suited to your needs. First, though, we'll focus on the standardized features. The Teflon-coated heat plate is an impressive 15 inches by 15. This gives you space to easily transfer onto an XXL men's t-shirt and maybe even bigger. It also has an easy-to-use digital control dial for the timing and temperature. You don't need to read the instructions to work this one out, so you can get straight on with printing your designs. One of the standout features is the patented temperature monitor chip. Moving on at number 4, we have the Fancierstudio Power Heat Press Machine. The next heat press on our list is the Fancierstudio Power Heat Press. It's very similar in terms of design and versatility to our best choice product, and you have to look close to tell them apart. The reason we chose the PowerPress as our best choice and not this one is the lack of safety features. You save just over $10 if you choose this one, but it's not as geared up for constant use. However, if you're just planning to use it for casual use, it's perfect. At number 3, we have the ePhoto new digital heat press machine. The ePhoto heat press is one of the most well-reviewed heat transfer machines on the market. It's slightly more expensive than the machines we've featured, but only slightly. It's very similar in terms of features. It has a 15 inches by 15 inches heating plate, a digital control panel, and works just about as well as the other two. The reason this one is a little more expensive isn't clear, but a lot of the reviews mention the quality of the product. The product images are very true to life, and all of the materials used are high quality. You get a good feeling that this is a machine that's going to last. At number 2, we have the TransferCraft's T-shirt heat press machine. The TransferCraft's T-shirt heat press is the perfect option for someone looking at a budget, home use option. It's quite a bit cheaper than the other hot press machines we've featured, and there's one main reason why. It has a smaller 9 inches by 12 inches heat plate. This should still be big enough for most t-shirt printing needs, but might not be suitable if you're printing really large designs. The best way to find out if it's suitable for you is to get a tape measure and see how large 9 inches by 12 inches on your size of the t-shirt. The other advantage to it being smaller is that it fits easily on a tabletop or workbench. Even the small drop in size makes a big difference. Other than that, it's pretty much the same as the others in terms of features. And finally at number 1, we have the TUSY heat press machine. This TUSY heat transfer machine is another well-reviewed option. It only has 42 customer reviews on Amazon, but pretty much all of them are positive. In terms of features, it's pretty standard. It doesn't have anything that would set it apart from the other products on this list. However, we think this is the best-looking shirt press machine on the market. It has a sleek, black design and a modern logo on the front. Plus, the digital control panel is situated neatly on top of the lifting arm, making the whole thing symmetrical. If you're looking for a heat press machine that will look good on the countertop, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.